Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's vlog, we're of course still in Disneyland and I'm so excited to take you along on my adventures. So if you watched my last vlog, you will know that I ended the vlog not feeling well. So I took the morning to really rest up, and by I think this was around noon, I can't quite remember when I adventured out with Alice, but I decided to take her out throughout Disneyland Resort, all the pet-friendly areas, just to have some fun. So I had her in my Snuggit in the beginning, and we just took in the sunshine. There's this cute little sign that's actually behind Disney California Adventures. So we went to go look at that sign together. And then we headed over to the Disneyland Resort Hotel area, which was really fun to explore with her. He's a pupper. A little Mickey on the land. There are so many cute hidden Mickeys around this area, and Alice had such a fun time. Like, she was happily walking around getting all the sniffs. And I was just posting about this on Instagram the other day actually, but I always feel like for her, like the sniffing and all that, the scents are like text. Like she's checking her emails and her texts and stuff. So it's really happy to have this time with her and just have some fun together. Then I spotted the monorail, and this is the Disney 100 one, so it was really cool to see all the people who were, you know, going from Disneyland Hotel on their way into Disneyland. It was really fun to spot it and see it. So magical. And then Alice got a little bit tired. We walked for, oh gosh, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes, and she got a little tired, so she hopped back into the Snuggit. We spotted the monorail again. Alice was quite curious about the monorail, and she wasn't sure if she should do like guard dog duty or just be curious. You might have heard her bark. It was pretty darn cute. Then we passed by the new Pixar Pier Hotel, which used to be called Paradise Pier. And actually, if you look at the sign, it still says Paradise Pier, which is interesting. Then also passed by the Grand Californian Hotel. I would love to stay here one day, as well as the Disneyland Hotel. As of now, though, or currently, they're not pet friendly, but if they ever become pet friendly, I would love to stay at one of them, or just to stay at them at some point down the line would be really magical. Also passed it by like the downtown Disney parking. And then I wanted to kind of adventure out a little bit. When I was looking on Google Maps, I saw that there was a park not too far away, like within not too far walking distance. I'm like, that would be so much fun to take Alice to a park where she can kind of have some fun and play and potentially meet some other dogs too. And then look what I spotted at the park. This was so adorable. It's like a little Mickey bench that they have inside Disneyland, but they had it outside in this park, which was so amazing. So Alice and I hung out here. We played. I like set up a camera, took some photos, and honestly, we just had so much fun. And then on our way back, we stopped by Blossom Cafe, which has easily become my favorite cafe to go to outside of the Disneyland park itself. The service is so friendly, magical, amazing, and the drinks are so good. I love their iced matcha, and today I also got their lavender latte, which I really enjoyed. And honestly, I just love spending pretty much the whole day, the whole afternoon with Alice. Like, it was just the best to have that quality time together. I just honestly love her so much. Then after dinner, I headed finally into Disneyland. My main goal for the day was to see the fireworks show in front of the castle, like camp out there. But then on my way in, I spotted Mickey Mouse in his Disney 100 outfit, so I had to go say hello. I got my photos taken with him, and honestly, it was so much fun. I love Mickey so much. It was great to finally get to see him on this trip. And then I also said hello to Pluto, and I told him all about my dog named Alice, which he really enjoyed. And then I was walking, I heard something, and I had to go investigate. From your nice warm bed, just remember what your old house I love seeing the Dapper dance, so I stayed for their whole performance. It was so magical and fun just to listen to them. So relaxing too, like just taking in the magic. Spotted this cute Minnie Mouse Disney 100 statue, and then I decided to go on a couple of rides in Tomorrowland.
This robotic army is stealing crystallic fusion power cells. Without themselves, we'll all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits.
This offers the widest seats and the most legroom of any caravan's Astromech and the latest IC360 camera droids.
And you, not you, but that one in.
I also decided to go on Astro Orbiters, which is a ride I've never actually been on. I've always thought about going on, but just never really took the time to go on it. So I was so excited to go on here. And honestly, I'm so glad I went on it. It's such a beautiful view of the Sleeping Beauty Castle. You also see little glimpses of Tomorrowland. You go up pretty high. It's kind of like the Dumbo ride. And honestly, it was fun. I really felt like I was flying through the air. It was so fun. Then after that, I went and I picked up some tea, some Disneyland popcorn, which is dairy-free, which I'm so excited about. I found that out on this trip. And you bet I've been enjoying lots of Disney popcorn on this trip. I also got some other snacks. And I camped out in front of the Disneyland Sleeping Beauty Castle because, you guys, it has always been a dream to sit as close as I could in front of the castle during a fireworks show. And I heard that if you just, go and you camp out a couple hours before the show, you can get a really good spot. So honestly, that's exactly what I did. And literally, I was literally in front of the castle. I got to chat to a lot of people around me who were also camping out to watch the fireworks show, really close to the castle. I enjoyed some delicious Disney popcorn, as mentioned. And then I thought, you know what? Let me share with you guys my bracelet stack of the day. So here's a quick look at what I wore. I wore my Alice in Wonderland bracelet. Wore that because I spent the day with her and had so much fun with her and wanted her there with me in spirit. And then on the other side, I wore my Fantasyland bracelet, my Pandora bracelet with some Alex and Ani, and then a crystal bracelet. And then I just continued to munch on Disneyland popcorn. And soon, you guys, it was nighttime. The castle lit up and the show Wondrous Journeys was about to begin. And I was so excited. I had so much fun chatting with everybody around me and the anticipation. And then suddenly it just got dark so quickly. And yeah, it was just about to begin. So without further ado, here we go.
Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Watching Wondrous Journeys so close to the castle, I felt so blessed, in another world. You guys, just thinking about it, it was just phenomenal. It was so amazing. If you ever have the chance to camp out in front of the castle, honestly, it was 100% worth it for the time just to wait there. It was so amazing. Just watching this, I'm getting emotional. It was amazing. Now, I did end up filming the entire fireworks show, the whole thing with the sound and everything. If you're interested in watching that video, I'm going to have a link down below in the description bar of an unlisted video where you can watch that with the sound and everything. Hopefully it works and it doesn't get flagged for anything. We'll see about that, but I really want to share this moment with you guys. So if you'd love to see what it's like in front of the castle, you can go find that video down below in the description bar of my video.
Somewhere I wanted more. Keep saying this is where I'm meant to be. Every turn I take, every trail I take.
And if you quickly watch on the screen right now, you're going to spot Alice in Wonderland. And this made me think of my little Alice, my dog. And it was so sweet. I didn't even notice that the other times I'd watched the show from further back. So that was so cool to see. And honestly, you guys, it was just it was amazing. I had seen it. If you watched my other vlogs, I had seen it from Main Street USA. I kind of saw it kind of behind the Walt and Mickey partner statue. But see, there is nothing like it, being right in front of the castle, seeing all the fireworks, the castle lit up, the projections, the music, and just all the people that I kind of got to know that time when I was sitting there. It was just, it was just the best. I'm smiling as I'm doing this voiceover, reliving it with you guys. It was just, oh my goodness, it was wonderful. And I'm so excited to bring you guys virtually here on this adventure with me and just to share the magic with you. It's just, it's
Come to
amazing.
the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Feet and legs inside the boat. And watch your children. And
They need a bit of persuasion, ladies. Fire
After Wondrous Journeys, I headed on over to Pirates of the Caribbean and I rode on that, which was a lot of fun. And now whenever I think of Pirates of the Caribbean, I think of my friend Christine because it is her favorite ride. So hello, Christine, if you are watching. I miss you and I hope I can see you in Disneyland again soon.
fitting with us.
Ballet, that dwarf that wants the keys knocked up, I've just swum.
Can't you reach any further, you stout-winged bilge rat?
Rascals and scoundrels, criminals and knaves, they got me on to go home. The devils and blacks, you really bad eggs.
After Pirates, I headed into Fantasyland. Now, after the fireworks show, Fantasyland stays closed for quite a while as they kind of clean up and everything from the fireworks show, so it opens a little bit later. So I waited and I headed in. I love Fantasyland at night. It is just so enchanting. It's so beautifully lit up, and it's also a great time if there's some rides that you want to go on. It's not usually a long wait. Like, it's pretty fast to go on to the rides. There's not as many people. A lot of people leave after the fireworks show, and I just love taking in the magic here. It's so beautiful. Now, I noticed that Peter Pan didn't have a line, but what ended up happening is they weren't sure if it was going to reopen for the evening, or the remainder of the evening, I should say, because they were close to closing. So a lot of us kind of hung out here and waited just to see if it might open, but sadly it did not reopen again. So after that, I just headed back down Main Street USA, and look at the twinkling like cherry blossom trees. So beautiful. Well, actually, I'm not sure if they're cherry blossom trees, but they look like some type of blossom tree. If you know what it is called, please let me know down below. But they looked so enchanting and so magical. Passed by the partners, Walt and Mickey's statue. I love this statue. It's also one of my favorite places to get a castle photo at, because I just love that Walt and Mickey are in the photo too with you. Then I headed down Main Street USA, which was all lit up for the evening, looking so charming and fun and whimsical. I just love walking down here. It's just, it's so full of life. And you guys, honestly, what a magical Disneyland day. It couldn't be more perfect. I had the best time spending the morning and afternoon with my little dog Alice and just having fun with her. It was such a treat. And it was really good for me because I wasn't feeling that good from yesterday. So it's a nice relaxed day. And one thing that I loved was having the magic key, because I just went for, basically for fireworks, a couple rides and some snacks. And I didn't feel like I needed to spend the whole day there because I had the magic key. And I feel so blessed to have that. But anyway, as you can see, we're at the end of the video. And look who is here to say goodbye to us all. We have Mickey, Minnie, and even little Pluto, and they're all dressed up in their Disney 100 attire, their outfits looking so cute. So magical. Thank you so much for coming along with me on these Disneyland vlog adventures, by the way. It honestly is so much fun to bring you guys with me. So we're all visiting together, and it honestly it just means so much to me. So thank you so much. And I'm wishing you guys all a very magical rest of your day. Take care, and I will see you in my next Disneyland vlog or next video. We will see which one comes first. Anyway, you guys, take care. Goodbye for now.